You won't believe these three genius gadgets cost less than $12. They're cheap, viral, and actually useful in daily life. First up, this USB LED desk lamp. It's not just small and portable. It has a flexible neck, so you can adjust the light exactly where you need it. Whether you're working late at your desk, reading at night, or traveling, just plug it into any USB port and you're good to go. No batteries needed. And it even has brightness control for eye comfort. Next, the mini USB massage gun. It may look tiny, but it packs a solid punch. Great for neck, back, arms, and shoulders. This little tool helps reduce muscle pain and stiffness after a long day or workout. It's rechargeable, lightweight, and fits in your bag easily. Perfect for office workers, travelers, or anyone who just needs to relax. And finally, the solar power bank. With a 10,000 milliamp hours capacity, this thing can fully charge most phones twice. It charges via cable or solar energy. Just place it under sunlight when you're outdoors. It's ideal for camping, hiking, or emergency backup. It even comes with a built-in flashlight and dual USB ports to charge two devices at once. So which one caught your eye? All the links are in the description. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more smart tech finds.